Let's find out how to create a greetings card on Greetings Discount. First, let's select a category. Here, we'll personalize a birthday invitation for a child. Choose from a range of different models. On this page, you can obtain information on the size of the image that will be supplied depending on the print quality chosen. You'll also find options such as sending an e-card. Click on the Customize this card button to access the editing tool. Simply enter the information required for the event. A font size will automatically adapt to the length of the text. Click on the Update Preview button to preview your card. Please note that the 3 Greetings Discount inscriptions will not be visible on your final card. If you are happy with this preview, click on the Download button. Don't forget to check the box after reading the terms and conditions. Then click on Order. Log into your account or create one. Now select a print quality. The higher the quality, the sharper the image details. Finally, click on Download. On this screen, select your payment method. Greetings Discount offers you a credit system, so you can save on your purchases by buying credit packs. We also offer subscriptions so you can enjoy Greetings Discount in unlimited. Create as many cards as you want. Alternatively, you can pay for your card directly by credit card or with PayPal. To use your credits, click on the green button. Use 3 credits. Once you have made your purchase, simply click on the document to download and print it.